Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this short video I will show you how to fix Notes app not sharing notes on iPhone. Let's get started without wasting any time. To fix this issue, first of all close the Notes application and then reopen it. Now select the note which you want to share with others. After opening the note, at the top of the page you'll see many options, but you click on share icon. Now you have to click on this icon. Here you'll see two options. Make sure send copy is selected. Now select the social platform where you want to send. After that, select that person and send it. So guys, you can also copy and share the note. For that, click on share icon. Here you'll see copy option. Tap on it. Now go to the home screen and where you want to share it. That's it. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching this video.